Friends. Today we will see topic number 7, meshing. Introduction, launch mechanicals, generate default mesh. First mesh in the tree outline, you can see there is a mesh is there and generate mesh is there. Size mesh. In these sections, we will size the mesh such that it has 10 uniform elements. To size the mesh, first expand sizing located within the detail of the mesh table. Next, set element size to 0.40 meter as shown below. You can see this is the details of the mesh. 0.40 meter, active assembly, medium, fast, coarse, 4.0 meter. Now click mesh, generate mesh. To generate the new mesh, you should open the mesh that is shown in the following image. You can see this one is a mesh is generated. Multi-zone exam method for the beam face sizing at hole locations for refinement, and finally implementations for the beam around the hole, and assembly meshing is there. Geometry composed of multiple parts, contact regions is automatically created between two faces. Each part measured independently results in non-conformal interface. We will see in ANSYS. Click on ANSYS. This is the main page, and click on static structural, drag and drop here, and engineering data is right click, and generate geometry, new design mode. Now click on XY plane and normal view. After that, go in sketching. In draw panel, there is a line or some small rectangle we want. Yes, no. Now we will give the dimensions from here. Dimensions, general, and click on here and here. You can edit from here. Horizontal, I want 80, now 70, enter, meter. Okay, I will again increase 150 or 120. Now it is fine. Now you can give as a 150, enter, and this one as a 20, enter. Now apply constraint here, and symmetry, select symmetry, center line, this line and this line. Now it is a symmetry. Now generate and extrude. After that, in drop down, select a sketch one, apply. After that, add material, normal, and depth value is 10 meter, and generate. You can see it is a generator, but I want depth as a 25, enter, and generate. Now it is okay. Geometry part is completed. Now go back to the ANSYS Workbench menu, and click on double click model. You can see in model this model is generated. Now you can see here meshing. Right click and generate mesh. It is generated. After that, you can see here there is a advanced setting is there. In details of mesh, display style is the use of geometry setting is there, and sizing is there. You can edit sizing also from here. Default size yes, or fast, slow. We can see a fast meshing state is there, and coarse type is the coarse, medium. After that, assembly, and default. We can change from here, and quality is there, quality, and implementations and advanced settings are there, program control, dimension, program control, all these automatic methods are there, sweep and all things. uh, Display element size is there. Now we can solve or generate again, right click and generate mesh. You can see it is generated. This type of setting we can do and mesh on this object model. Okay, this session is completed. Thank you.